If you have hundreds or even more designs that you'd like to upload to Eganizer, but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. I'm here to show you my personal workflow of how I have most efficiently uploaded my own files. I recently wanted to upload hundreds of designs that were on my own desktop. Each of my designs was in its own zip folder like these. Your folders do not have to be zipped for this method to work, but each design does need to be inside its own separate folder. For example, this one is called Birthday Party Dogs Sketch, and if I click on it to look inside, you'll see that I have all of the birthday dog files associated with this one design. I've got all of the file sizes and all of the file types. I've got Pez, Jeff, DST, and all of the files associated with this one design. And I had hundreds and hundreds, maybe over 1,000 of these on my desktop that I wanted to put in Eganizer. So the best way to start when you have lots of designs like this is to begin separating them into category folders on your desktop so that you can upload them to Eganizer in batches. So what I did is I created a folder of all of the different categories that I wanted to upload. I've got baby, winter, football, spring, birthday, Christmas, and so on. So your first objective is to get your files grouped by category on your desktop, something like this. Next, you want to go inside each folder and create 2 new folders inside of them. I'm going to create one called Embroidery and one called Applique. And that is because Eganizer sorts your files by embroidery or applique. So if you're able to distinguish between the two, that is helpful. If not, it's okay. You can just leave them all in here without dividing them. But I like to create 2 separate folders and then further separate these files by type. So now I'm going to locate all of my files that I think are appliques because they have applique in their title. And I've selected these and now I'm moving them into the applique folder. The rest are embroidery files and I will put them in the embroidery folder. Once you've done that, you're ready to upload to Eganizer, and this will be done in batches. So I'm going to Eganizer now, and I'm going to click this menu in the top right and select Upload. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm uploading multiple designs at once, and I'm going to click Start right here. Now I will locate my folder. We're uploading birthday and embroidery. I'm going to click Upload. And I'm going to click Upload one more time right here. And now they're uploading. Once they're finished uploading, I select Continue. And this is the screen where you choose the product type and the category of what you have just uploaded. So I'm choosing embroidery. Now, if you're not able to separate your files into embroidery versus applique, and that's too tedious for you, this is not a requirement. You do not have to organize your files this way. This is just something that I prefer to do with mine. The same is true for designers. So if your files are organized this way already, that's great. You can sort them and upload them in batches based on designer as well. But if not, that's okay. You can leave these areas blank. So we just uploaded birthday designs. So I will choose birthday I will scroll to the bottom and select Apply Tags and save. Okay. And now my thumbnails have been generated and my files are in my library. At this point, I like to go into each of the individual designs that I may want to add an additional category or tag to. So I want to click this one with the dogs, and I'm going to click here. And I want to also add this design to the animals subcategory. So I'm going to click Edit Pod Tags, and I also want these to appear in the animal subcategory. So I'll apply that. And now this design can be found in birthday and animal. Also, I'll use this notes box here to add any additional tags that I want to be searchable in my library. So I want to be able to find this design if I search the word puppy. So I'm going to add that note here and save that as well. And then I just repeat this process all over again for each folder on my desktop. I hope that was helpful in getting you started on your Eganizer journey.